Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the phone off and removing the SIM or memory tray so circuits are safe. This prevents shorts. Once done, heat the screen edges for 30-60 seconds with a hair dryer or heat pad to soften adhesive. Then place a suction cup near the bottom. Lift gently while sliding a plastic pick into the gap to separate the glass from the frame. Make sure to keep screws organized in labeled containers so reassembly is straightforward. Once the screen is lifted, immediately disconnect the battery to avoid damage. This is crucial. Then detach the display and sensor ribbon cables carefully. Use plastic tools to unclip connectors rather than metal. If you're reusing components like the earpiece or home button, transfer them now, keeping screws and brackets matched to their positions. After fitting the new display, align ribbon connectors and press them flat. Make sure each clip clicks and the screen sits flush before securing brackets and screws. To finish, reinstall any metal brackets and screws in their original order, reconnect the battery, and power the phone on to test touch responsiveness, display uniformity, camera focus, and sensors. If everything works, remove protective films and apply a new adhesive strip or thin double-sided tape to the frame. Press the display into place evenly. If the screen won't power or touch fails, reopen and confirm all ribbon connectors are fully seated and screws that hold grounding brackets are.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.